Welcome students, hello. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020. Welcome to your language class. As I told you yesterday, today we are starting a new month. Yes, we are in our month. In the month of September, the month in which we celebrate our independence. So that's why September is our important month. And today is September 1st. So, today, before to start with the class, I would like to encourage you during these days to pay attention to the calendar and to be awake about the things that we're going to celebrate during all these days. So, first, let us start with our language class. So, yesterday we were talking about exercises about page 78. So, today we're going to continue with page 79. And that was your homework from yesterday, right? The address envelope. What you had to do was to write the correct information in the correct place, right? So, I'm going to check if you did it in a correct way. I told you that in this part, on the right side of our envelope, we are going to write the information related to the person who is sending the letter from. And who is the person who is sending the letter? Mr. Dean went. So, on the first part, we're going to write Mr. Dean went. Then, what is missing here? In this case, we have letter M with lowercase letter, and we write titles of respects with capital letter. So, M should be with capital letter. And also, Dean and with. In the number 2, what am I going to write here? The address of Mr. Dean went. The street where Mr. Dean went lives. And the name of the street and the number of the street is 936 Collier Street. Remember that abbreviations are written with capital letter, and names of places we write them with capital letter also. And the last part is the name of the place. Avon, Indiana. So, what you're going to do here also is to change them into capital letter. Now, on the middle of our envelope, what we do is to write information of the person who is going to receive the letter. In this case, the name of the person is Mrs. Carol King. Mrs. Carol King. We are going to write with the titles of respect with capital letter at the beginning, and then we are going to continue with the name and the last name. Then the place, the road, the street, the avenue, and in the last part, the city or the town. And all of them are with capital letter also. Aleppo, Pennsylvania. Very good. After that, I told you that we are celebrating what? That we are on September. So, what we're going to do is that we're going to have a special activity because today is September 1st, the day of our national flag. So, today is September 1st, and today we celebrate the National Flag Day. So, what we're going to do is that you need one bond sheet of paper. So, you're going to need one bond sheet of paper, one blue sheet of construction paper, your scissors, and your glue. So first we're going to read some information here about that. 1 de septiembre, Día de la Bandera Nacional de Honduras. Las franjas azules representan el cielo hondureño al igual que los océanos Atlántico y Pacífico, los cuales bañan las costas del este y el oeste del país. La franja blanca simboliza la meta a donde deben dirigirse las buenas acciones de cada uno de los hondureños, como ser la pureza, la integridad, la fe, la obediencia, la paz, la firmeza y la bondad. Y las 5 estrellas representan a los 5 países que formaron la antigua Federación Centroamericana. Here I have one poem. La bandera. ¿Cómo no quererla como yo la quiero, si en ella el retrato de mi patria veo? Por eso al mirarla siento un solo anhelo, ser justo y honrado, ser valiente y bueno. Very good. So what we're going to do is that we're going to create our own flag. Entonces, nuestra hoja de papel, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Vamos a cortar a la mitad nuestra hoja de papel construcción color azul. Y cuando ya tengamos la mitad de nuestro papel construcción azul, vamos a doblar nuevamente a la mitad. Y volvemos a cortar. Cuando ya lo cortamos, vamos a tener 2 cuadros de este tamaño. Y ahora los vamos a doblar nuevamente para obtener nuestras franjas de la bandera, las franjas azules de nuestra bandera. Cuando ya tenemos las franjas, las vamos a cortar nuevamente y vamos a obtener 2 franjas. Cuando ya tenemos nuestras 2 franjas, las vamos a proceder a pegar con silicone or glue in our bond sheet of paper in this way. Entonces lo pegamos de esta forma. Y cuando ya tenemos este espacio en blanco aquí, podemos dibujar nuestras estrellas o con el pedazo que nos quedó de papel construcción podemos dibujarlas aquí, recortarlas y pegarlas en nuestra bandera. And that was everything what you have to do today. See you until next class. I hope you enjoyed your class today. And don't forget that we are going to start to have some many celebrations during this month of September. See you until next class. Bye.